Hi guys, it's your girl MeleyG. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to spice up your noodles. I use Nigerian noodles in this situation. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the noodles in a pot and I'm just going to boil it without a seasoning. And now this is my gizzard slash chicken breast that I already diced. I'm going to add in the spices that comes with the Indomie pack. I'm going to add it in my chicken, and I would add salt, Cameroon spice, curry, thyme, garlic powder, Nigerian soya spice, and any other spice you want to really add to spice it up. But if you want it to taste exactly like mine, then you add exactly all the spices that I am telling you to add. Now, while we're doing that, what we're going to do next is marinate this. First of all, I'm going to use my hand going all the way to make sure that I can get in all there. I'm going to also add spinach, and I'm just going to dice it up. And I'm also going to dice up my bell peppers. I use green, yellow, and red bell peppers in this because bell pepper is really sweet, and trust me, it changes the taste of everything. Trust me. By the way guys, the song used in this video is my new song which just came out. The title is Real Love. It's a song off of my album Journey that will be coming out soon. I want you guys to please stream, support me. There'll be links in the description below for you to stream the song. Thank you. Now I already started. What I'm basically doing is I just popped in my gizzard and my chicken breast into a frying pan, and I'm adding oil. First of all, I didn't add oil. I just wanted the juice to come out, and now I am adding oil, and I'm going to add in my vegetables and all of my spices. I'm going to be adding all of the spices that I added earlier to marinate my gizzard and my chicken breast. The thyme, the curry, garlic powder, Cameroon spice, Cameroon pepper, soya spice, and basically everything. And you can also customize this and add any spice you want, but if you want it to taste exactly like mine, I suggest you please add all of the things that I'm adding, and also add salt. Don't forget to add salt and soya spice, because trust me, soya spice it tastes amazing, and it changes the taste of the food, honestly. Once again, please don't forget to stream my song used in the background of this video. There will be links in the description where you can go to stream it. The title of the song is Real Love, and it's off of my album Journey, which will be coming out in a couple of months. But this song Real Love is out right now. Please stream. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm just going to be adding in my carrots, and if you guys notice, I didn't add my carrots earlier on with my other vegetables. I added it separately, and that's because I didn't want my carrots to be too cooked, because I don't like when it's too cooked. I prefer it to be a little bit add in a way. Also going to add in my cayenne pepper to add more spice. Ooh. I've lost a lot of chicken and gizzard while cooking this, but I mean, we're good. And y'all know, look, I'm a Nigerian girl, and we love spice. We love our things to be really spicy and juicy and tasty. So that's exactly what I was going for here. And I added in a little bit of water just so that the juice can come out and it can cook at the same time. Trust me guys, this was so delicious. Honestly, you guys have to try to make this again. Please guys, don't forget to stream my song Real Love. The link is in the description below. Thank you. And that's it guys. My noodles, all I did was just boil it and just put it in a plate, let it get cold or at least warm enough so it could form that shape. Put it in a plate, and this is it, guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to stream my song too. The link is in the description below. Title Real Love. Thank you very much. Bye, guys.